Entree for Valentine's Day, baked scallops with a spiced compound butter. This is what we're gonna do. Some butter that's been sitting out at room temperature, 1 clove of garlic, chop our coriander, bit of paprika, bit of cumin, black pepper, salt. Give that a mix up. And we're just gonna hit that with a nice, generous dollop of that compound butter. We're just gonna bake these for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, the scallops are cooked. Baked scallops with a spiced compound butter. Great little entree for your Valentine's Day. Perfectly cooked.